Hey Apple fans, it's time to update your Apple TV and HomePods again. Apple just dropped tvOS 26.2, and surprisingly, it's not just about bug fixes. This update brings some really cool new features. First up, you can now create user profiles on your Apple TV without needing an Apple account. This is perfect for guests or family members who aren't part of the Apple ecosystem but still want to use the device. Apple is also boosting child safety. Parents can now enable a dedicated kids mode within the TV app for children's profiles, making it a safer viewing experience for the little ones. Plus, there's expanded liquid glass support for Apple TV 4K models. While most minor updates are just for stability, it's awesome to see Apple adding practical features like these. So go ahead and update your devices to check them out. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe for more Apple news.